How to edit or delete scheduled tasks in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the Scheduled Tasks option. All the scheduled tasks we have made so far are displayed here. Click to open the task you want to edit or delete. This is where you can edit the task. Make desired changes. When ready, click OK. The scheduled task has been updated. Now let's delete a task. Click the checkbox to select the task you want to delete, and then click the Remove button and proceed. That's it. The selected task has been deleted. It is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.